In this video, I will be showing you how to turn off Microsoft Copilot. Let's get started. First, I move my cursor down to the taskbar and click on the Microsoft Copilot icon to launch the application. Once the window loads, I click inside the message box to start typing. I enter a prompt asking for 10 beginner-friendly side hustles using only a laptop. After typing, I click the send arrow button on the right to submit my query. Now, I wait for Copilot to generate the response. As the text appears, I scroll down slowly to read through the suggestions, which include freelance writing, virtual assistant roles, and online tutoring. I continue scrolling further down past graphic design and data entry to see the complete list. Once I am done reviewing the response, I move my cursor to the top right corner and click the close button to exit. Next, I click on the Windows search bar at the bottom of the desktop. I type settings into the box, and once it appears, I click on the Settings app to open it. From the main dashboard, I look at the left sidebar and click on Personalization. Inside this menu, I scroll down to find the taskbar option and click on it. This opens the taskbar configurations, where I scroll down to look for the system tray options. I click on other system tray icons to expand the list. I scroll all the way down through the application searching for the Copilot settings, and then I scroll back up to locate it near the top. I find the Copilot option with its toggle switch currently turned on. Finally, I click on the toggle switch to change it to off, disabling the application completely. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.